All right, recording. Yeah, that's good. Might be good, bad, or ugly. Who knows? There we go. Pockets are full of crap already. Where are my gloves? Here we go. And we got our other GoPro. Bring that with us. There we go. Do, 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 do. The other two members of the crew are on their way.
I'm going to clean up this pathway here so that when it falls it's nice and clear coming this way.
Yeah. And I'll just get those two that are to the left of it, or three, however many's there. That big one.
Yeah, just those two.
Just those two skinny
Two
totem
skinny
poles?
short ones off to the left, yeah.
Okay.
And I'll probably take up this one right here.
Yeah.
It's going to get in the way.
Yeah, that big
And
one's
then
far enough away from
knock off the limbs so we're not getting stabbed in the face.
Yeah. Alright.
Brian wanted this whole thing gone. So now you got lots of it. Like I taught him, if you have the tree, you just walk up to it while it's still attached to the ground. And do this. When you cut it at the bottom, there's a big tree in your way.
Yeah.
Just start cutting a foot.
Okay.
And then it's gone. And it absorbs better in the bush. This whole disaster here, gone.
Okay. Especially those two big fuckers.
Right here. The whole bent thing. So start here and start getting it all disassembled. it will be doing.
Yeah.
You ever? Go ahead and drop it, man. Drop it so you can get at it.
All right.
I don't think you can get at it.
Yeah.
Nothing worse than a sore back and a big saw.
Yeah.
It's heavy, eh? You can smell the gas over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Won't hurt you so I'm starting to give here. I can smell raw fuel. Huskies are a bitch. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, they either go real good or they're a pain.
wasn't kidding. It does have some balls. Jesus.
Oh yeah.
Does that get enough balls?
Yeah.
That's something notorious for being started that one if you got it. You should have cut away.
I just went. Yeah. Okay, now how am I gonna do this now?
I don't know. Try using a wedge next time.
Yeah.
With a face cut, and then pull it down, and then put a face cut in the next one.
Yeah.
Like you know what you're doing. Hey, Paul Bunyan, where's your bull? That was a good shot, eh?
Huh?
That was a good shot, eh?
Yeah.
Right in the bean. Didn't expect
Is
it.
it all over the GoPro?
I didn't expect it. I don't know. I don't think so. But it's on camera, so.
Yeah.
It's not the kind of thing you can just drop and limb. It's all freaking limbs. So you got to cut it apart, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, you got me good on the back of the head. That's
No,
what it
I
is.
never got the GoPro at all.
Yeah.
No, you're good. You big baby. So he puts this thing on. See, I knew he wanted to put his GoPro on a helmet. My other helmet, well, it needs adjusting, and you can see it goes in a weird place, eh? It's kind of a pain in the ass. But they have a strap, so they stay in place. And I knew he's like, can I put the adhesive one on? I'm like, I don't fucking care. Knock yourself out. So he puts it on, eh? Well, it almost rips his glasses off because there's no chin strap on the bitch. It's heavy. So now he's got it done up so tight, his foot's getting big, eh? Because his head's getting squished so hard. He's like this. Yeah, it'll be okay. It's good. Yeah, Bill, it's good. It'll be fine. I got a migraine now. You fucking donkey. And he's just been sick for 2 weeks, so you got no, you're weak like a kitten. I can see it. You're just fucking dying, eh? He's not thinking here. He cuts through this back one. And the tree falls right on the bar. Boom! And he just gives her this, looks at me, and I'm like, what are you looking at me for? What'd you do that for? I don't know. Let's go look.
Yeah.
We got time. So we're not in a rush. I'll have to do an edit there. Bullseye! And the quarterback is toast. Right in the fucking melon. And he just does this, eh? You hit him in the head, he just stops. Like, who the fuck just did that?
I was
Asshole.
looking around trying to see if there was a branch.
I could have cut my penis off, you know.
Yeah.
That happens too. He's drinking beer on us. What's the deal? What's that?
Iced tea.
I thought you didn't bring anything with you.
Oh no, I brought something with me.
Oh, I didn't see it either.
It was in the camera bag.
Yeah, right. It's hooch.
He's sneaking the hooch in the camera
Fucking,
bag.
yeah. Tim and Tickle over there. Fucking moonshiner. Well, you know I have been. You're in here cutting. The fucking squirrels are running around you like crazy through the tops of the trees. All over the place.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I don't know if you noticed when you were.
Yeah, there was a squirrel in it.
Went, oh fuck!
Yeah.
Shit, tree.
You know why he ran? He's like, oh, I don't want to watch this. Fuck. This guy's gonna cut off something important. Keep cutting that way, and you'll be wearing a dress, buddy. No dick.
I almost did exactly what you said to watch out for. My foot was under the
I
snow. And I didn't
know.
know where it was.
It's a
And the saw
bitch.
just lands pretty much like an inch from it. Like, oh,
What else? What else am I gonna do though? Like, you know, everybody's like, don't get cut. I'm like, well, you know, if I don't let you, I'm putting you in harm's way. You have to be responsible. I can't hold the saw while I bump fuck you. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? You got to catch on. You
Yeah.
know? If you can't, you get cut. You're done.
Yeah, you gotta learn by doing it. It's not
That's
something
right.
you can-
Be careful. Oh, shut the fuck up. Everybody fucks up.
the more you be careful, the more like you're actually to really cut your dick off.
Just, you know, just take it easy. Stay
Yeah.
calm. That's why, like, I let him go. I let you go. I'm not gonna stand there.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Just go. If you fuck up, you fuck up. It's not gonna matter if I'm standing there or not. You know, if you're destined to blow it, it's gonna happen. You can catch yourself, okay? Okay. Yeah, toolbox. There we go. I'll be right back. Fast, eh?